Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Coach E coming to you live and direct from Maryland. I am very excited to be here today. Let me just let you know right now. So that's why I have the school shade on. I am coming on today honestly just to help you guys. I want to help you. I truly love and genuinely care about you guys. So I am here today to drop this video on how I can help you see if you can move your business a little bit forward, right? It's off. Today's the 2nd of May. We have few more months to the end of the year. What are you going to account for by the end of this year? Remember when we started this year, it was just like when 4 months ago. But before you know it, time is ticking. Before you know it, December is gonna come and you're gonna have to look back and say or ask yourself, what have I achieved so far? Maybe I can help you a little bit here. Maybe when I share 2 or 3 few cents of mine, that can help you a little bit. For those of you that are new on this platform, my name is Elizabeth, but you can call me Coach Eli. I am a business startup expert. I help individuals to start their business in the diagnostic world. You can expect business or services such as DNA, drug testing, lead testing, blood draw, all this beautiful testing that can help you to generate revenue, help you to live a life that you have desired. But before, I don't intend to waste your time today. But if you are here and you have not subscribed to my channel, I recommend that you do. Not only just subscribe, but browse through this channel, see if you can, watch some of my videos and see if you can learn from 1 or 2 things, because I share few tips, and also to specially invite you to my big Facebook group, which is the largest in this industry. You want to find yourself because we have other students, other people, aspiring individuals looking. You guys are probably the same common goals, right? So go ahead and find the group. Is the link and everything, information on the group is in the body of this my profile, or you can also find the information in the chat, in the description button here. And yeah, I want to see you in my group on Facebook. But like I said, without further ado, the topic for today is how I can help you to increase your revenue with your DNA testing business. This is particularly on DNA testing business. I want to share some few things, see if you can imbibe those things, incorporate those things, and see if it's going to change your revenue in your business. Okay. There is something you guys are not looking into, and that's because it is not common, it's not popular out there, and that is the DNA immigration. DNA immigration services can increase how much you make per month. For example, if you do paternity DNA testing, it depends on how much the lab is charging you, but the range for a DNA testing paternity is probably from $275, maximum $450, depending on your area as well, right? Some of you that are in New York, New Jersey, all these higher big cities, California, Pennsylvania, Maryland, you are safe. You might go ahead and charge people $450. It can depend on your location and all that, but that's the range for a paternity DNA test. Maybe legal, because we have two types, right? We have the legal and the non-legal. Now, the way that you can increase your flow, the way that you can increase or make more money in your DNA business is if you also can understand how to do immigration DNA. Let me tell you guys right now, you are able to do a DNA immigration. A lot of people, sometimes some of you have reached out to me and said, ask so many questions around, can I do an immigration DNA? I don't think we can do an immigration DNA. Can I do it with a mobile business? So many questions around, do I this and this? The answer is yes, as long as you know how to, you have your business in play. There is a way that you conduct your business. You just have to understand the requirements of a DNA business. And I recommend, or a DNA collection. The best lab to partner with, and the only lab actually that allows you to resell a DNA immigration, is Alliance DNA. We don't need to cap here. We don't need to filter, right? Alliance DNA allows you to resell immigration DNA. If you go to other labs, they would not let you. They would not even certify you. They won't give you the AABB accreditation certification. Without that certification, you can't give resell an immigration DNA. They all have monetized it. They don't want you to tap out of the big cake. They don't want you to eat out of the big cake. So they don't even allow you to resell. But if you go to Alliance DNA, you have to take that certification course and you have to pass it. Then you will get the certificates. Then you become a partner. Then you can resell. If you need further information, if you don't know how, I have a course, but I'm not selling you the course. If you do invest in the course, it's going to benefit you because you will learn, right? It has a lot of information specifically on the DNA immigration, but you don't have to buy the course. But if you do, it's for your benefits, right? But if you add immigration DNA into your DNA business practice, you are guaranteed of making more than what you're currently making. If you are looking for ways to get clients, there is another video that you can watch. But in this video, I am just coming to share with you on how you can increase your revenue in your DNA business by adding DNA immigration to what you do. Because why? DNA immigration is so high, the margin on one client you can make $1,000 as compared to a paternity test or ancestry DNA, or even weight loss DNA, or all these other types of DNA testing services. Immigration is the one with a big gap, but you do have to follow guidelines. You do have to have a lab that allows you to partner. You do have to understand the protocol, how to conduct these testing services fervently, how to do it appropriately and accordingly. One of the good news that I also want to share with you today is that if you happen to be my student, I have a certification of completion that I give you. When you take that back to Alliance, they give you a huge discount, almost 50% off on your onboarding cost, because there is a cost associated when you reach out to these labs, right? You do have to pay a certain fee to set up your lab account, but all of my students, Coach Eli student, gets a 50% off their onboarding. So if you happen to take my course, I give you a certificate of completion. If you show that to Alliance, they take 50% off your onboarding cost. But you do have to know that DNA immigration is highly sought for. Immigrants are looking and needing to petition. You already know, with the current administration that we have here today, Donald Trump is deporting people. I mean, the illegal ones that are not supposed to be in America. How about the legal ones that have the right? Because even if you are illegal, you can't petition. You can't get to a point of DNA immigration anyway. Only those that are legal in America that needs to petition to bring their family here in America would most likely need a DNA immigration. So these are the people that you're going to cater to, because when a petition is in play, they would need to prove a relationship. And that's why I say you need to understand what you're doing. That's why I say you want to check out the course. But you will be able to petition for the family, because it's your right to bring your family, to reunite with your family. And when you go for your interview, if they require more evidence, then they ask you to go get a DNA immigration. Then they can come to you, because you are an accredited lab. You are partnered with an accredited lab. You will be able to give that test and make money in turn. Allow me to finish up or wrap this video up by also letting you know that you can also offer wrap-around services. Stack your services, increase your growth, increase your revenue with immigration consultation. Immigration consultation, because you are now in the business of immigrants, right? They are coming to you for DNA immigration. You can pivot, you can leverage, you can upsell, you can scale, you can stack, right? It depends on how your scope is. What are you able to see with your binocular? Do you have this mindset? What are you able to see far? Where I'm showing you, are you able to see farther beyond what I'm telling you right now? That is to say that you should be able to also stack your services. Now that you're doing DNA testing immigration, you can start to also consult, help the same individuals, help the same immigrants, the same people that you're selling to. You don't need to duplicate effort. You don't need to work hard but smart. The same people coming into your room for testing services for immigration, you also consult and you make more money. And that's where I introduce you to immigration consultation. So this space here is all about how you can make money, how you can increase your revenue. So if you like this content, go ahead and subscribe. check me out if you have further questions and you're needing to jump or get in my next cohort. I have upcoming training on May 15th. We're going to start the third cohort of immigrant consultation. So I'm training some folks who are looking to become immigration consultation so they can help immigrants. So this is the right space for that. That's where you're increasing your revenue, you're increasing your daily revenue, your income, you're creating awareness around your services, and that helps you grow your business. I hope this video has been helpful. It's all about growth, mindset, growth, increase in our revenue, and that's it. All right. So I hope this has been helpful. If it has been, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. It's your girl, Coach E, coming to you guys live from Maryland. I'll talk to you guys. Bye for now.